Hi, welcome to Cooper&Hunter. Today we're going to show you how to get the most out of your remote control. Let's start by turning on the unit. To change from Celsius to Fahrenheit, push the up and down button simultaneously. To change the temperature, push up or down. To adjust the fan speed, push the fan button to cycle between low, medium, high, and auto. For turbo mode, push the turbo button. Turbo mode automatically turns off after 30 minutes. To adjust the modes, push the mode button to cycle through cooling, dry mode, heating, auto, and fan. Cooling and heating modes are self-explanatory. In fan mode, you can adjust the speed of the fan, but not the set temperature. This is great for general airflow. In dry mode, the unit pushes dry cool air into the room to decrease overall humidity. In auto mode, the unit will heat or cool to maintain the set temperature. To use the shortcut feature, push the star. The shortcut feature recalls the previous setting. To turn off the LED display on the unit, push the LED button. On some models, you're going to have to hold it for 3 seconds. To adjust the louvers, push the swing button. The louvers will move back and forth. Push the swing button again when it's at a desired position. For silent mode, push and hold the fan button. The unit will display on and the fan speed will drop down. To activate the Follow Me feature, push the set button once and OK twice. An icon is going to appear in the top right corner. When Follow Me is activated, the temperature is going to be read from the remote instead of the indoor unit. When you set the temperature, the remote is going to show set temperature, then bounce back to the ambient temperature. The indoor unit is always going to show the set temperature. When the Follow Me mode is activated, the remote needs to be placed in the same room as the indoor unit. They need to be kept within line of sight, and dark surfaces can interfere with the infrared signal. To set the unit to turn on at a specific time, push the timer button. Every time an arrow is pushed, it increases or decreases the time by 30 minutes. If you set the timer on function for 1 hour, the unit will turn on in 1 hour. Hit OK to set the timer. Press the timer button twice to set up timer off. To turn off the timer functions, reset them both to 0. To set up sleep mode, push the sleep button before going to bed. When in cool mode, the unit will increase the temperature by 2 degrees after 1 hour, and will increase an additional 2 degrees after another hour. In heat mode, it works the same, except the temperature decreases instead of increasing. Sleep mode will maintain the new temperature for 7 hours before turning the unit off automatically. When you're ready to turn off the unit, press the self-clean button. The unit will display SC. This feature dries out the evaporator and prevents mold buildup. After 16 minutes, the unit will automatically turn off. Your units can also be controlled with Android or iOS devices. To enable Wi-Fi control, you'll need a Wi-Fi kit or a Wi-Fi smart port. Once your Wi-Fi is set up, you can use your iOS or Android device to control the unit with our CNH remote app. To connect your Wi-Fi device, you will need to activate AP mode. Push set twice and OK once, and your unit should display AP. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Let us know your thoughts and questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.